I'm going to show you how to make money online as a tutor right now. So if you have a passion for tutoring and teaching people, then there are a lot of websites on the internet that can pay you thousands of dollars just to tutor students. This means that if you're a math guru, an English language guru, biology guru, physics, or any other important subject, you can make money online tutoring people just from the comfort of your home. Most of these websites can pay you thousands of dollars every month. So right now, I'm going to list and show you some of the websites that can pay you as a tutor right now. Examples of such websites are 1. Magic Ears, 2. Check Tutors, 3. Tutor Me, 4. Q Kids, and 5. Tutor.com. So go to Google and search these websites, then register with these websites and start earning thousands of dollars as a tutor. I'm going to show you one of these websites right now and how to register on these websites right now. So first thing you need to do is to go to Google Chrome and look for tutor websites. Okay, now we are going to log in into this tutoring website called tutor.com. Okay, we are in this tutoring website named tutor.com. So you can sign up with this website and start earning hourly by tutoring students. Look at it. This website can pay you up to $25 per hour as a tutor. So you can teach various subjects on this website. So sign up with this tutor.com and start tutoring and start earning money. So this is a great opportunity for you to start making money online as a tutor. So join this tutor.com website, register or sign up and start earning your money. I'm also going to show you another tutor website that can also pay you as a tutor. This one is called magicears.com. magicears.com. We are trying to log into their website. Okay, now we are their website. You can register with this tutoring website and start earning as a tutor. magicears.com. So you can sign up with them and start earning. Look at it. They can earn up to $26 per hour just tutoring online. Sign up with this website and start tutoring students on the internet and start earning your thousands of dollars. Also, there are other websites that pay Nigerians because some of these websites do not pay Nigerians. This one, studypool.com, pays Nigerians. It pays Nigerians. So if you're a Nigerian, you can use this studygood.com and start earning. Studypool.com, and start earning. Studypool.com. If you're a Nigerian, you can register and sign up with this website and start earning. Another website that pays Nigerians is tutoria.com. This tutor website pays Nigerians. So if you're a Nigerian, you can sign up with this website, tutoria.com, and start earning as a Nigerian. You can teach mathematics, musical subjects, English, and start earning with this website, tutoria.com. There are also other websites, so try and conduct your own research and find out websites that pays Nigerians as tutors. Thank you. So make sure that you hurry up now and register with these websites and start earning money every day as a tutor. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you have any questions, ask me right now on the comment section so that I can answer them. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online businesses. Also, like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online easily. Remember to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies that you can use to make money online right now. Thank you for your time. See you on my next video. Goodbye.